Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about a spray foam roof that we actually did. So it's kind of a review of, what was the background, what happened, why did you choose spray foam, etc. So I'm gonna go through a couple questions here. So the spray foam roof that we did was at Masterbolt. I believe it's in Elyria, Ohio. It's a 70,000 square foot roof, and they had some issues. There was tarps on the roof. They had 55-gallon drums collecting water inside the warehouse, and they needed a solution. So they ultimately chose West Roofing and spray foam. And so I asked, Kenny, the guy from Masterbolt, why spray foam? And he was told that spray foam lasts. We don't have to remove the entire roof, which will save you a bunch of money, and it's just cost effective. And you don't have to replace the whole roof at one time, which they could not afford a complete roof removal. And then I asked him, why West Roofing Systems? You could choose anybody to do spray foam. And he knew two of our owners outside of work, which brings an interesting point. When you want any service done, you trust your friends, especially when you're gonna do a commercial roof that's gonna cost a lot of money. That just makes that trust factor even more important. So he knew a couple of our owners outside of work and kind of educated him on the system and told him, it's going to be the best thing for your roof. So that's why he did that. Then I asked him just to see what was out there. Did you ever get a quote for a rubber roof to see how much it costs and the price difference? And he said he didn't. But the reason why, he just knew us and trusted us. But to do a rubber roof would be a full roof replacement. You have to rip every single thing off, pay to transport to the landfill, pay their fees, and then put 70,000 square foot of new roofing material on. It'd be way too expensive for what they were looking to get. So I asked them, it's been a year since you did your roof, or 6 months at that time. Has there been any problems with your roof? And he said, no, there hasn't, no issues at all, which is great. Then I asked, a lot of reasons why people choose spray foam is the energy bill differences and the R value. I said, have you noticed any differences in your energy bill? And he said he has. There's been a slight difference. And he knows when he goes to certain parts of the building that did get the spray foam roof and parts that haven't been repaired yet, just the differences in, it's hotter in areas or cooler in certain areas depending on it's keeping the heat in or the cool in. So he definitely notices a difference. And then I asked Kenny, I'm not going to use your name on any of this. I don't want people bombarding you with reviews or how's it working out with your roof now or anything. And he goes, no, please, Greg, tell him, call me, email me. I'll tell him how the roof is going. It's like kind of like a salesperson. I didn't want it to go that way, but he was more than open to answer any questions that someone else considering a spray foam roof would have. So if you could click on the blog post URL at the bottom there, you can read the full thing, and it has Kenny's information there as well. So that's it for today. I hope you learned at least one thing new today, and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Thank you.